I'll show you how many gears I had to make while testing before I finally created a strong brake-resistant gear that can replace the broken original one. As we know, the original Nissan LEAF ZE1 charge lock gear often breaks, so it's necessary to look for solutions to replace it with a more durable one. But first, watch the video and you'll see how many different gears I had to make and test before creating one that's strong and suitable for use. Here we can see the original gears. One of them already has a broken main shaft and the smaller one is worn out. This happens because the plastic used to make the gears is very hard, and under load it simply breaks. That's why I started looking for solutions on how to make new and durable gears. In this photo, you can see the tested gears that were made from PLA, PLA Silk Plus, and PETG plastic. However, PLA and PLA Silk Plus were too weak, and although PETG was stronger, it was too brittle. The main shaft would break and the gear itself would wear out quickly. Therefore, I needed another solution and chose PA plastic, which is specifically designed for gear production. It's durable, resistant to loads, and long-lasting. However, the main challenge I faced was getting the right 3D printer settings. To achieve the desired result, I had to adjust the temperature, layer height, wall thickness, and many other parameters. And finally, after extensive testing, here are the gears whose shafts don't break even when bent with pliers, whereas those made from other plastics would snap under the same test or during use in the car. And finally, we have a finished product ready to replace the original gear. The gears are pre-lubricated with a special silicone grease and ready for replacement. The parts are packed in a protective bag and placed in an envelope that provides an additional layer of protection. If you need these parts, you can find the links in the description below. Thank you for watching the video and don't forget to like and follow our channel.